major things that you will learn, one of the major lessons is this. Your beliefs determines your results. Right? Beliefs, not actions, determines the result. If you have better awareness, you can have a responsibility to create better results in your life. Right? And when you have that responsibility, now you will have a choice. And I want you to learn that, I want you to realize that every single day we make choices. Every single day we make choices. Whether to go here on time or not. To wake up early or not. To eat healthy or not. To do the things that you need to be successful in your work, in your business or not. Every day is a choice. Right? So, every moment is a moment of choice. Right? And every choice you make, there's a price and a benefit. The thing is, law of attraction is incomplete. Right? How many of you nangarap, nag-set ng goal, nagsulat ng goal? Nakapagsulat ng goal. Right? However, hindi lahat nangyari. Have you experienced that? Yes? Right? And how many goals have you written down? Lagi mong iniisip, gusto mong mangyari, pero hindi nangyayari. Right? So it means that just attracting the blessings is not enough. Right? There's another thing. There's another thing that prevents you from getting what you want. Kasi kung yun lang, di ba? Maupo ka lang, isipin mo lang yung gusto, visualize ka lang, okay na. Right? But there's another law that is unpopular, right? That completes it all. And it is called the law of vibration.
And I highly recommend it. I read a lot of self-help books and I'm into personal development, spirituality. I got so much value out of this one-day workshop. And even though I already have read all of the best books out there and went through several webinars or videos, so highly recommend it. I can't believe this type of thing is available here in the Philippines. So you have to experience it.
Hello, I am JM Narciso. Ngayon nag-attend po ako ng seminar, Leaders Awakening Workshop. Marami po akong natutunan na mga bagay na hindi ko pa po alam doon. Kaya po sa lahat po ng mga makakakita ho ng video na to ay iniimbitahan po namin kayo sa susunod na workshop, Leaders Awakening Workshop. Maraming salamat po.
Isa po siyang eye-opener sa lahat po ng tao, kahit anumang pong edad ninyo, 16, 18, or kahit 30s or 40s na kayo, wala pong age limit ang pagbubukas ng inyong isipan, di ba? Hindi naman kasi wala siyang limitations, kaya ako po bilang millennial, nabuksan na rin po yung isipan ko sa mga ganong bagay. Basta ang saya po nung seminar na to, ay nakikita niyo naman po yung mata ko, sobrang magana. Kasi, ayun nga po, sobrang nakaka-touch my heart.
Hi everyone, I just finished this one-day experiential seminar called the Leaders Awakening Workshop. I invite everyone to join. DJ has added his own personal flavor to this workshop. and I'm sure you will not be disappointed because he always over-delivers.
Discovering in yourself that you can lead, being you as a leader. And then after being a leader, then you influence others to become leaders as well. So those are the three things. You work yourself as a leader, you influence others as a leader, and then you bring out the leaders out of these leaders. So those are the three things.
I'm say that I was really impressed and napakaganda ng seminar. Really life changing or more on one step forward on improving my life, improving my relationship with others and especially myself.
Hi, my name is Joseph. I had the blast attending this seminar. It's a must-see seminar for those who want to become a leader.
Ang ma-share ko po na experience dito sa Leaders Awakening Workshop is sobra kang magiging totoo sa sarili mo. Matututunan mo lahat na may mga bagay ka pa pala hindi alam na matututunan mo. May mga sagot pala yung negativity sa buhay na positive. Kaya dapat po sana lalo pang maraming tao matulungan nito para lahat. Para po yung lahat ng gusto, lahat ng may sad, lahat ng may problema, may sadness sa buhay. Yun po, ito po yung sagot. Sobrang po nakaka-enjoy.